Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Alif Ashraf bin Rosli, FA108, AFA17083. I'm from section 1. So today I will present about my project. So the title of my project is the electronic letter box. So this is my project. So next, okay, the introduction. Electronic letterbox project help to see whether there is the letter inside the letterbox or not. The principle of the circuit is very simple. To identify the presence of a letter in the box, how the electronic letterbox works is usually LED stays on, but when a letter is dropped by someone into your letterbox, the LED stops going. This means that if the LED stops going, there is the letter inside the letterbox, and let the user know when there is letter and no letter inside the letterbox. It will make the user know when to reach the letterbox to take the letter and when to know there is no letter in it. So next, so the problem statement here. So the problem statement is related the electronic letterbox because there is a complaint from user that didn't know if there is a letter inside their letterbox and frequently forget to take the letter from the letterbox. So the result, they sometimes forget and miss to take the letter because they have many things to handle and forget to take the letter. The electronic letterbox help the user to know whether there is the letter inside the letterbox and make them more alert to the incoming letter. So next, the objective. So the objective that we have according to the problem statement are to make sure and help the user to know whether there is the letter inside the letterbox or not. So the user will not miss and forget about the letter, especially the important letter. So this is my circuit. So I use the LED 10 kilo ohm, 1 kilo ohm, LM741, CD 401, and this is my circuit. And next, this is my bill of material. So I have 9 components. So firstly, LM741 I use 1, CD 401 I use 1, resistor 10 kilo ohm I use 5, resistor 1 kilo ohm 2, capacitor 0.1, capacitor 2, LED use 2, LDR 1, power supply 1, and mini breadboard 1. So next, so this is my project in a simple way to present. So this is before entering the letter. So before entering this is the letter LDR and LDR. So before this, before the letter been put inside the letter box and hit the LDR, the LED will stays on to let the user know there is no letter inside the letter box. Next, I will show you after the letter been put inside the letter box. So this is the letter after entering the letter inside the letter box. So this is the letter, this is LDR. So this is my LED will turn off. So this is the electronic letter box. So before this, the letter did not entering yet. So now the letter entering the electronic letter box and hit the LDR, and it will make the LDR have no light source and can detect that make the LED turn off. So after the LED detect no light source because the letter already put in the letter box, the LED will stay off to let the user know there is a letter inside the box. So the project is quite simple. So this is before entering the letter. The LED will on. After entering the letter, the LED will off. So that's all for my project, and that's the end. Thanks for watching.